Hey guys, I'm Abid from technewsl.com, and today in this video I will talk about 4 new Firefox version 81 beta new features that will change your Firefox browsing experience. So let's see what are those new features. Okay, these are the top features of Firefox version 81 on Android. So let's see those features one by one. Open Firefox. The first feature is Firefox Download Manager. In the previous version or older version of Firefox, there was no download manager on Firefox. But in the latest beta, there is a download version for Firefox. So to access download manager on your Firefox, click on the three-dot menu on the bottom right corner and click on Settings. Then you will see, scroll down to the bottom and you will see External Download Manager. Enable it, and to get access all of your downloaded files, click on the three-dot menu and click on Downloads. Here you will see all downloaded file and folder, and from here you can manage all of your downloads. You can remove it, delete it from your Firefox download manager, and you don't have to rely on your phone file manager. Okay, so then let's see the second new features of Firefox. The next feature is automatic tab closing. Okay, so let's see how it works. And this feature is really amazing for those people who opened a lot of tabs and forget to close this and feel boring to close all these tabs manually. So to close all of your open tabs automatically by a certain period, like after 1 day, after 1 week, or after 1 month, click on the three-dot menu and click on Settings. Then you will see option Close Tabs. Click on it, and here you will set it up to how you want to delete the open tabs. You can select 1 day, 1 week, or 1 month. Or if you don't want to delete all of your open tabs automatically, you can set it up on manually. Okay, then let's see the fourth new features of Firefox. Okay, think that your friend just sent a link of a YouTube video on WhatsApp or Messenger, but when you open this video, this will open in a certain browser or default browser. But in the latest Firefox version, you can open the YouTube video directly on your YouTube app. So let's see. Open YouTube. You have to click on the three-dot menu. Then here you can click on Open in App. Thus, if a friend just send any videos on WhatsApp Messenger, you can open it up directly on your default YouTube application. Okay, then now let's see how you can lock any sites in the top site page on Firefox. Okay, so first of all, if you want to bookmark or list here any sites, open the site first. In that case, I am opening our official website. After opening your favorite site or most visited site, you have to click on the three-dot menu, and here you will find Add to Top Site option. So just click on it. Then you will see this site is added to your top site list. So to find it, close this tab, and here you will see this site is already in the top site list. I already added this site, so it's shows twice. Okay, then you have to lock it once. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. See you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more amazing tech videos. Or you can suggest me which topics you want videos and articles on our website and YouTube channel. Okay, then goodbye.